Hi, my name's Grace, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable and update the notification banner on your website. The notifications banner sits at the very top of your website, above the menu. It's often the first thing users see when visiting your site, so it's a useful tool to share time-sensitive news, emergency warnings, health updates, or alert of any website maintenance that may interfere with your users' online experience. To enable your site's notification banner, go to Structure, Block Layout, and then click Enable on the notification banner block. Once enabled, you can update the notification banner text. Go to Custom Block Library and click on Edit next to the notification banner. In the text box, enter a short line of text you wish to display on the banner. You can also include links by enabling full HTML. Once you have finished updating the text, remember to save your changes before you exit by clicking on the Save button located in the bottom left. To view your updated banner, navigate back to your website's homepage. That's a brief overview of how to enable and update your website's notification banner. I'll see you in the next video.